Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Loox to improve your store's performance. First, all you need to do is head over to Shopify and log in. Once you've logged in, head over to your apps and click on Loox Reviews. Loox Reviews has this section when you scroll down called the Performance Overview. This will show you your reviews, your referrals, and your upsells. Depending on how you set up your store and what you are selling, these values will change, which also depends on how you brand your products. If you are trying different strategies, you can come to Loox and see how well each strategy is doing when it comes to reviews, any referrals that you may have, and also upsells. If you pair this along with the analytics from Shopify and any other analytics program you may use, you can see which is the best way to advertise your products in order for you to get the most amount of sales. So make sure when you're looking at your store's performance to also look into Loox to see how your reviews, your upsells, and any referrals you may have are doing, along with the rest of your analytics. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.